This is what the room's looking like right now. We're just packing everything up, packing up all that back there. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. Alright, almost packed up. Got everything almost in our bags. Gotta throw this in the carry-on. Alright guys, all packed up and ready. She's eating a hard-boiled. Last day, bro. It's such a nice day out. Fucking Christ. But like we never even were here. We're just taking off now, so I'll let you know when we got our bags situated. Because I don't even know. I think we got to carry them around all day. It's fucked up. Damn. Oh. Going in the staff-only entrance for the first time. Got a cigar, got EP. Okay, wait, hold on a second.
Do it again.
The second last meal, pasta, rice, stewed chicken, broccoli, watermelon.
I'll have a water, please. Yes, ma'am. That's not even that.
Hola. Crazy. So that's how they do.
What? It says where about stop.
But it says book 20.
Got flights here, so we're headed out. Oh, we clickbaited us. It was just the shuttle service. Here we go, bro. It's finally here, bro. I can't see. Dropped off. Airport. Heading out. Wait to my mother. I took the fattest shit of my life in that bathroom. I'm gonna fuck up a crispy chicken sandwich right now, and then we're hopping on the plane, so stay tuned. Yo, they're smuggling vegetables into Canada from the DR, baby.